Meet Pastor Bob. He wanted to reach out to the community to let people know about the wonderful things he and others are doing through their ministry. So he decided to build a website. He wanted it to look great, so he took the time, the money, and the effort to develop something that he thought would engage the community and draw people to their site. It wasn't long before he realized that not only were people not visiting the site, but it wasn't helping the ministry experience the growth and effectiveness that he felt possible. He wished there was a company that understood their ministry needs, how they could engage to community, how they can draw people to their site, and how they could effectively reach out and see their ministry grow. Thankfully, there is someone. Meet eChurchWebsiteDesign.com. eChurch Website Design is simply the most powerful web solution online. It helps folks like Pastor Bob and you to effectively reach your community, city, and the world. eChurch develops free and custom websites that look great. Their websites generate an ongoing visitor traffic and help ministries achieve extraordinary growth. You and Pastor Bob don't have to figure out how to develop a powerful website. You can go to eChurchWebsiteDesign.com and experience extraordinary designs, customer service, support, and internet marketing that allows you to fulfill the vision and mission of your ministry. No headaches, no hassles, just results. Let eChurch do the work so you don't have to. Now Pastor Bob is experiencing ministry growth, visitors to his site, and accomplishing the effectiveness he was called to do. eChurch Website Design, www.echurchwebsitedesign.com.